286. The meaning of accreditation. Chalcedon Report number 149, January 1978. A growing and central issue of our time is accreditation. The central area of conflict is with schools. In the background lurks another issue, the accreditation of churches, by welfare agencies because of their nurseries, by councils of churches for their legitimacy, etc. Accreditation is an act of faith. We express our faith in someone when we go to them for accreditation, for approval. Paul speaks of accreditation when he tells Timothy, "Study to show thyself approved unto God, a workman that needeth not to be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth." 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 15. The root meaning of accreditation is credo, I believe. When a school goes to an accreditation council, it declares, "I believe in you and in your word, and I present myself as one who seeks to be approved by you. If you approve of me, then I need not be ashamed, for then I teach the word of truth and respectability." Again and again, we have seen seminaries established in order to reform the church. The new seminary wants to teach the true word, it claims, but one of its first steps is to seek accreditation. Very quickly, the new seminary begins to resemble the old, and in all its ways, it seeks the approval of the very world of humanistic scholarship it abandoned. As a result, the new reform begins to resemble more and more the old sin. This is no less true of Christian schools. Parents rebel against the corruptions produced by the humanistic state schools. Christian schools are started and flourish, but soon evil voices begin to promote the need for accreditation, and they seek the approval of the same corrupt system they abandoned. Such men are no different than the Israelites in the wilderness journey, who said, "Let us make a captain, and let us return into Egypt." Numbers chapter 14, verse 4. Such men are governed by the principle of reprobation. Whose approval do you seek? Where your faith is, there too is your source of accreditation. Those who seek accreditation from humanistic agencies carry within their heart the principle of captivity and sin. They feel naked if they stand in terms of the Lord and His Word, and they demand of the enemy, "Come and clothe us with the rags of your accreditation." Accreditation is the humanistic form of circumcision or baptism. It summons the faithful humanists to show the marks of their faith and to witness to it. Accreditation councils simply require the faithful to stand up and be counted in terms of their faith in humanism and its agencies. The real cause for the persecution of the Christian Church by Rome was the refusal of the Church to submit to licensure and taxation by Rome, that is, to submit to state approval and accreditation. Rome promised to leave the Church more or less alone if only Christian leaders would offer a little incense before Caesar's image and say, "Caesar is Lord." They would then be licensed or accredited and free to go their way. Instead, Christians confessed, "Jesus is Lord," and resisted. The apostates were accredited. The same issue is with us today, and again the apostate cry is, what harm is there in licensure, in accreditation? The harm is still the same. Another Lord is confessed, another creed is affirmed, and another faith is put into practice,